stock to move. Now, like I said, I don't know. I'm just only commentating on what was said. But honestly, with my understanding of how this market moves, a bunch of retail guys living in their mom's basement, not necessarily a shot at anybody, but I mean, that's just kind of how it goes as a trader. These guys don't have the backing to move a stock like that. They just don't. But institutions do. They have the backing to move a stock. So, because I have an understanding of that, it's not so hard to believe that to be true. I, I'm not going to sit here and say that that's not true because it's highly likely that's exactly what happened in that situation. But like I said, I don't care. But I just know that a bunch of retail guys is not going to move a stock. So just kind of going back to what I was saying before. I just have to I just have to shift from my A-type personality to somewhere in the middle between A and B. Because the B-type personalities, they do really well in this market. They can accept loss. They don't change their system. They let their system play out over time because they have more of a passive personality. So they do really great in this market. And it makes sense because, I mean, if you have the
let's go, baby. Let's
disposable
go.
income to trade in a market like this, you have to be aggressive to be able to have a disposable
Yes,
income.
sir. Man, this is so trash. I could have been up like 600 right now.
You can't be passive in life and be so. I mean, obviously, if the market is designed to take the wealth from people, it's the transfer of wealth. Well, why not have the market? Shit. Hopefully Smith got back in this.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Hopefully he stayed in it. But anyway, so I mean, if you're gonna take,
he would know if he get in the freaking chat.
People in the market, they all have A-type personalities. They're used to being right. They don't like.
Let's go, baby. Oh wait. Should I take my first? Man, I don't know.
Failure as being a loser.
Take my first target at 620 like I wanted to.
It's very ego driven.
Hold on, let's minimize
especially
this.
People with unmovable egos where you can't even compromise.
Man,
with their
I was in 5 in this thing.
I won't take profits. I'll get stopped out before I take profits. Kind of as an example of that type of mindset. I want to be right. I don't want to be wrong. I want to be right. And that's why that personality type in the market is very dangerous. So I just have to find that compromise between that type A and type B personality.
All right, let's check the
not compromise. Hopefully, man. Hopefully Smith is still in this shit. I would, because last time I spoke, he said that he did get stopped out, but hopefully he stayed. He got back in because I was like, dude, I don't think the Bears got it in them. You're looking at this 60K chart right here. This is super bullish. It is super bullish. There is no way, or well, unless Trump says something or does something stupid, the Bears have a lot of work ahead of them because that's a lot of buying. You got a bullish candle.
Ooh.
I mean, first you have a bullish push. The Bulls held the pullback. You got a bullish pin, and then you have a bullish follow-up candle opening above the previous candle high.
Not 5. Hold on.
And trading above this high and the previous candle.
668.
That's bullish as fuck.
Give me that.
I don't think the Bears got it in them.
Give me that target. So and then we had what, 725.
Right. I'm in the chat.
You just got it here.
Okay, there you are.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you know I had to get. Man, that sucks though. I was saying like I could be up like over 600, 700 right now. but this damn thing stopped me out on that unnecessary drop. I know it was a double top, but it was still unnecessary. They didn't have to do all that.
Shit, you know how these rainbow bears are. If they're not happy, then nobody's gonna be happy. That's just who they are. All right. So that's the range, man. I'm getting
Let's
in this.
go, man. Baby. Let's
I'm getting in
go. Dang, imagine if I was freaking long from my original position and didn't have to get stopped out. A bull can only drink. I was 5 contracts deep, half a mini.
Shit, we just took the orb hive. We're trading on low volume too, so we could see a push. We're trading on super low volume.
Nice. I think I might take. Should I take one off here? Nah.
Take one off, bro. No.
We want 68.
Take one off.
We want 68. Give me 68.
Take one off.
No.
You gotta
give me 68. No. After all that trouble I went through last night, I'm all tired. Give me 68. Man,
but right now we have go ahead real quick.
I was just gonna say, Rut Kid, he said you held overnight. I tried to. I got stopped out and I re-entered because they dropped it unnecessarily at 580, which I mean I saw that coming, but I'm like, bro, y'all didn't have to do that. And I'm like,
you know the Bears got to do it, man. You know the Rainbow Bears got to do it. You know they got to do it.
What's what you say the volume was right now?
The volume is right now it started at 229,000 roughly, and at the 15-minute mark it only added about 70, so 308,000 right now. So we're low volume right now. I might add to this, man. And I was looking at ES. The ES orb might actually go crazy today, man. The ES orb actually might go crazy.
Oh, for real?
Ah, shit! It's already gone. Shit!
It said it's already gone.
Let's
go, baby! I used to pray for times like this to trade like this.
Let me see if I can kind of sneak in this one. Let me see. I'm gonna set a limit right here.
Bulls
the ES
crazy.
I know the ES orb gonna go crazy right now.
Give me 68. Vindicate your boy. I've been staying up for 2 days trying to catch this pump. Let's go. Yeah. All right. I would love to. Nah, because as soon as I scale in, that's when that shit want to drop. So I'm going to leave it alone. I ain't going to touch it. Come on, baby.
You know what? I don't know. It's rejecting off of yesterday's orb high.
I thought we made it to 6, wasn't it 670? 71?
You made it 671 was the high. The orb high was at 648. It's rejected off of yesterday's orb high. So bulls, what y'all trying to do?
We want more. All that pain we suffered, or I suffered last night, dealing with these foolish bears, getting in the way.
Now
we knew this move.
We address the bears by their true name, the rainbow bears. These rainbow bears getting in the way.
We knew this move was gonna happen. Ah, damn! Come on, y'all losing steam.
Nah, it's just the rainbow bears at yesterday's orb trying to short it, and bulls taking profits at yesterday's orb. I mean, that's a good place to. I mean, I'm not gonna sit here and say that wasn't a good spot to take profits at yesterday's orb, because we didn't get a retest of it.
They about to find out. They about to get clapped. Give me your money. Oh damn! I hear the TickStrike coming in with the BS. Nah, that's not enough to stop us. We want more. Damn it, more. Yep, I
How
see
much
the
you want?
more.
More.
I see the TP range. We ain't even come close to the TP range that this orb put out. Dang, and that's a wide range too. They got it from 656 to the damn 698. I might scale in on this pullback, to be honest.
It would be a good.
I might do
might.
it. I'm doing it.
Order filled.
Come on, push.
I mean, in the 21, if they hold the 21 EMA, you good. Man, come on,
your
ES.
boy.
You ain't got to be like that, baby. You ain't got to be like that, man. Don't make me chase you. Man, I'm a chaser, man. I'm chasing her. Man,
Vindicate your
ES
boy.
made me chase her.
Vindicate your boy. Stayed up for 2 days straight trying to catch this pump. Let's go. Yo, I missed out on 300 to only get 48. $48 this morning. I'm gonna need that back. Plus some.
And investors, that's don't be cheating on the ES. Don't be cheating on the ES. You can't go to the ES and then try to come to the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ shit. You say, oh, you want to trade other instruments? You know what? Nah, I didn't get yours yet. Where's your account sacrifice? I ain't get yours yet.
Oh no, not the account sacrifice. That's tough.
Yeah. Yeah, when she passed around that collection plate. She was like, nah, I ain't get yours yet. Give me that.
So they could see. They could see my beautiful face. I don't know.
Yes.
Cool. You want to put that over there?
Well, we have three.
Hmm?
We have three.
Yeah.
We have four.
You said you was splitting in your sleep. You just got out of a $12. Oh shit. Hey, the NASDAQ almost got you. Sound like the NASDAQ almost got you. But I'm glad that you ain't get got, man. She was like, yeah, no, I ain't get that account yet. He's like, give me. I ain't get that account yet.
That account sacrifice.
Yeah, what's up, Gangway? The NASDAQ don't play about her account sacrifice. She requires that shit.
Done.
She don't play about it.
Yeah, that's true.
And that is taking too.
That is true. I'm liking this on the 30-minute. I'm liking this on the 30-minute. Let's go, Bulls.
Man, just look at that 60K chart, man. You see it. You
I
see it
need
on
to
a
look at it
60K.
yet. Let me see. Oh yeah, beautiful. We
Yeah,
are gonna have to.
That shit good.
Yeah, we are gonna have to go through yesterday's high though.
Yeah. Yeah.
But
We probably will.
I don't want to see no double top on the 60K. That would be just nasty work.
Yeah. Yeah. You know what you got to do after that. You know what you got to do after that. Actually, let me just attach this to the 21 EMA because I think today it's gonna probably be a slow grind probably today.
Y'all, hold on. I'm being invaded by these females.
Yeah, dude. You too? You too? Shit. Like, dude, it's like, oh, y'all see me on stream. I'm not paying attention to y'all. Hey, daddy, I need help with this. Like, damn, you don't see me working? Shit.
You too, huh?
Like, leave me alone. Shit.
Ray. No, I can't.
I'm out here grinding in these streaming streets, and all of a sudden my daughter wanna just be aggressive and, Daddy, hold me.
Huh?
Pay attention to me. I got this boo boo. Like, leave me alone. Shit.
Wow. Hey, yo.
She all trying to speak into the mic. I'm like, I'm trying to put in this work here.
Yeah, we good, baby. We good, baby. We good. We good. Unless hold on, let's make sure we ain't got no stupid news or some shit coming on at 9.
Oh yeah.
Yo.
Nah, we good, man. We ain't got nothing. We ain't got nothing today.
We good to fly
We good.
to the moon.
I
the moon,
want
baby.
to go see that moon.
We should be going all-time highs, man.
I'll be an astronaut, and I go and see the moon.
Less.
So, Investor Z, so you done with NQ for good this time? Are you still trading gold, Investor Z? Have you traded in gold and Nasdaq for ES?
Can you go in the moon? Where is all men? Where is all money in the moon?
You can go to the moon.
Huh.
Got to be an astronaut. But we going to the moon in these markets.
Markets and get some astronauts in the grocery store moon shop.
What are you?
You trying to
even
say the
talking
Asian
about?
session?
Boo. Boo.
Dude, I don't know when I turned to a girl dad, but I realized that I'm now a girl dad. I really don't know when that happened.
Where's that?
That's you. Go get dressed.
Why I go to school, I will leave.
What?
When I go to school, when I'm leaving.
Yeah, you gotta get ready.
Why?
Go ahead, go get dressed.
School starts next week for y'all, right?
Well, she's in daycare, but we call
Oh,
it
she's in
school.
daycare.
Yeah.
Yay! 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 Yay!
Well,
No, yes, win.
the Bulls. I think the Bulls got it, man. I mean, I think we just hate the fact that it's just moving slow. But my secret sauce is telling me that we should be good, especially now that I got the wrong color.
What's your
Especially
secret
now that
sauce?
the I'm gonna text it to you. Well, I just don't want to tell the NQ.
Okay, yeah.
It's the EMAs. It's just the EMAs. It's just the EMAs.
Honey, go get dressed.
It's like, oh my God, he figured it out. Man, just all the back testing that I've seen, I've just seen something very consistent. Something very consistent that the NQ loves to do. She loves to make you feel one way, but then if you just really look at the chart and especially which EMA is doing, you will see that it's a lot of fake out. Kind of like that's why I was kind of telling you to stay long, if you was able to. I mean, I'm glad you stopped out and got back in, but these EMAs are telling me that these bears were just trying to fake out. You can see that the EMAs never started to slope over. I mean, they did flatten out, but you never saw price really reject off the EMAs. The bulls were buying off of them, and the bulls finally broke back above it, and you can see that price is now trending again. Regardless how the Nasdaq makes me feel, as long as the structure is in, I'm just going to trade with the structure. I'm not going against it because this is where a lot of my heartache comes from, fighting these damn EMAs. Now, the one time that it works then I mean it just encourages the bad behavior. So I'm just gonna have to accept that 9 times out of 10. That's how it works. And then if somebody says something stupid like a news candle and it breaks all the EMAs, then yeah, price is gonna change.
Yeah.
Hey, which chart are you trading on the Nasdaq with? What chart is that?
This is the MNQ 1000 tick.
Yeah. I was about to
Yeah.
say, yeah, I was like, yeah, why all your EMAs are just like right there? Okay, the 1,000 tick chart. Okay.
Yeah. Cause this is, well, I got the 9, the 14, the 21, and then I added the 50 EMA. This top one here is the 50 SMA. This bottom one's 50 EMA. And then these are the 200s. I'm not liking this right now though. I'm still a believer. I'm still getting my 68 target, but I don't like what we're doing right now. We just hit 9 o'clock. Damn. ES is looking beautiful though. Wow.
That's why I took the ES orb. That's why I took it. That's why I took the ES orb, baby. I know the ES orb was gonna go crazy today. I knew it was gonna go crazy today.
Yeah. Wow.
Yo, so the one thing that I've realized with ES in the orb with the ES, and I can see why Investor Z has now started trading the ES orb and ES in general. If you have ES orb if you have ES orb inception, what the ES likes to do is break out of today's orb, trade through the previous day orb, and then continue past it. The ES loves doing that shit. And so that's why I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make sure I take me an ES orb trade today, damn it. And your boy getting paid for it, baby. Your boy getting paid for it. You know, I'm in like almost 4 mini contracts with the ES. And you know your boy gonna hold. That's what I'm talking about, ES.
Hold the line, Alfred. Hold the line, Alfred. Don't close. That's I'm with Sherm. That's blasphemy right now.
Yeah. I converted one from the house of taking profits to the house of getting these targets, baby.
No, I will admit.
Yeah, I mean,
I will admit right now, ES is looking better to me than
the Nasdaq,
than NQ. But it does look like, oh man, it could tip over here. But it's looking more tippy.
I mean,
it's looking more tippy. Well, I'm just talking about this indicator that I got on NQ than ES. But if ES goes, she's gonna take NQ with her, so I'm not really worried about that too much. Vindicate your boy. Dang,
vindication.
how much would this be if I dang, that'd be 859. Could I hold out for 1,000 in micros?
Yes.
It's only a few more points. Hey, I gotta do it. I gotta at least try. I gotta try.
Dude, honestly, I think yeah, this you see how this thing is building up like this? This is obviously the Bears trying to being real rainbow right now, but we gotta pay attention that we're making higher highs and higher lows. I mean, it feels bearish. This is what the Nasdaq likes doing, but we gotta pay attention to the structure. And I'm not saying that we don't get a candle down, but if we do, if I see price break past that 50 EMA, then I'll be concerned. But until then, nah. I just know that this is the Nasdaq trying to shake out the weak hands. You said what?
What tick chart is that you got up right now?
The 2000 tick or the 1800 tick.
1800. So your EMAs are a little bit more spread out than mine.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's why I was looking at yours. I was like, why is your EMA so close? But yeah. The 1800, 2000 tick chart. Yeah, the ES is going. Yeah, the ES is going. And I got this follow-up trade that I'm going to definitely take.
Yeah,
I think I should be good.
Damn. ES is so much cleaner than NQ. There are no red
Dude,
candles on ES on this
the
5
ES
minute.
orb is dude, the ES orb is absolute. You just need size. It's absolute.
That's what makes me nervous though with ES, because that size, I wouldn't know how much
Yeah,
to put on and manage that.
yeah, yeah.
The
I
trade
mean,
management
if you want
portion.
size, depending on if you want a decent stop, you're at least losing $1,000. I mean, that's not even a question. I tried to find ways to just get as much money out of it as possible with losing the least amount. But
Hmm.
yeah, I mean, the best I can do is like 12. You losing $1,200 per loss, but you can make about $5,000, $10,000 if it hits your targets. So I mean, the risk to reward is good. It's just
Hmm.
on the days when she don't do nothing, that shit is. It's hard to go into the end of the day with being down $1,800, $1,200 and not having an opportunity to get that money back.
Yeah. Yep. Well, if I close out right now, no, I don't qualify yet. We gotta keep going.
The ES, man, bro, you good though. Look at the ES. ES is still going. Bears are getting clapped over here on the ES.
Clap City, big.
Clapped.
Clap City. Clap City.
The the ES is over 17 points above the orb right now. 17
Dang.
points, 18 points above the orb right now. You know we in this with 4 minis, baby.
Alfred, hold the line. Hold the line. Actually, I might. Oh, we hit 63. Damn.
Actually,
This
your
target.
boy is up 2K, baby. 2300, baby. And ES, let's go.
Congrats. I'm happy for you.
Congrats. I'm happy for you.
Oh, you was in 30 micros? Shoot,
Yep.
that's 3 minis.
Almost 3.5 minis to be exact.
Okay, Alfred, okay.
ES orb going crazy. The NASDAQ. There we go, baby. TP me, baby. Vindication, baby. There we go. Vindicated, baby.
Damn,
Vindicated, baby.
ES.
Vindicated, baby.
Dang, ES. It's like that. I should have
Let's
been
see how
looking
much money
over
I
at
got.
you.
Man, I got like $300 in this damn.
Dang.
Okay, maybe I do need to go over there on ES, man, and make. ES, are you gonna vindicate me?
Dang,
We gonna get
Cave
vindicated
Trader.
over
I
here?
am so sorry for that you couldn't get a part of this, man. That's tough.
Yeah. So, K Trader, why didn't you take the breakout to the upside? What? So where was the hesitation?
Come on, NQ. We don't need this bull crap right now.
You know what, K Trader? I'm not saying that this is what you're going through, but I
Oh.
can understand your position, though. I can definitely understand where you're coming from. Today was probably the last day of the payout, and for whatever reason, when it's payout day, we don't take the trades that we normally take, and those are the trades that usually work out. You know the one trick that helped me get the payouts that I have, and even though I still tell myself this, I still have uh it's not as big as it used to, but I still have those feelings. The market does not care if it's your last day to your payout, the last day for you to pass your account. It's going to continue to do the same thing that it's always done. And the trap that I kept falling into is that, oh, the market knows, so it's going to try to fake me out. So I'm going to do the opposite of what I normally do. And that's when I usually have my losing trades on my on payout day, when I try to fight against what the market is doing because I believe that the market doesn't want to see me win.
Pump the scam. There we go, baby. Hey, yo. Can he do it? Can we get to a stack on how much? How much is this? Okay, I'm in 4. Oh yeah, I forgot I added
Vindication, baby. Vindication, baby. Let's go. Your boy being vindicated. Yeah, K Trader, you saw it. I had to chase ES. I had to chase her. So I mean, I know exactly how you feel. I left about 6 points on the table because she just went too fast.
Order filled.
Take
I
off.
left 6 points on the table.
I took off 1 right there. I don't know.
Bro, you good, man.
I shouldn't have did that.
ES ain't even.
I shouldn't have did that. No.
See, you see what I'm talking about? House of taking profits.
Shut up.
You don't get that BDE energy afterwards. House of
Shut
taking
up.
profits.
Shut up. Shut up. No. No, it's not true. I am your father. No. It's not true. Nah, we in that we in that area though. Come on, man.
Okay. All right, ES, don't falter here. Well, even if you do, I'm gonna keep this trade up.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. What news just dropped?
Nothing.
What, they got
some
they got a
Alberto somebody speaks. Is this a
They got a
Federal
ceasefire.
Reserve policymaker?
Ending the war.
Do we? Oh yeah, today was Russia the deadline for Russia.
Oh, shoot, come on now. I know we got to pull back a little bit, but I don't want y'all to like drop this thing super like a super dump. That's not what we trying to see. How many points? 569. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So it says that U.S. and Russia are set to plan a Ukraine deal, cementing Russia's gains. U.S. and Russia are aiming to reach a deal to halt the war in Ukraine that would lock in Russia's occupation of territory seized during its military invasion, according to people familiar with the matter. U.S. and Russian officials are working toward an agreement on territories for a planned summit meeting between President Donald Trump and President Vladimir Putin as early as next week, the people said. The U.S. is working to get buy-in from Ukraine and its European allies on the deal, which is far from certain, the people said. So this is rumors. This is speculation. So you know how that should go. Buy the rumor and sell the news.
That's actually kind of crazy, though. They're like, yeah, we're just going to keep your territory that we invaded. That's kind of wild. We're there. We're not getting it back.
I mean, you know, honestly, it just seems like it just seems like when just leaders overseas, the biggest thing to them is the show of strength.
Mm-hmm.
And obviously Russia and this president is no exception. They said this indicator is currently managed by an indicator. Do you wish to disable it? Okay. It's a show of strength. If Vladimir doesn't take, if he gives up territory that the people of his country died for, it would just be seen as weakness. And it's highly unlikely that he would agree to give it up. Russia doesn't need anything from Ukraine. Everything that Ukraine has, Russia has in abundance. If I'm not mistaken, Ukraine is probably Russia, but just a line drawn in between it. It's probably the same piece of land, in my opinion. I mean, I don't know, but it's just an assumption. I'm pretty sure it's the correct assumption. But Russia doesn't need anything from Ukraine. It's all that shit is just a show of strength, and it would be seen as weak for him to give up anything to the Ukrainians. So unfortunately, the United States and their negotiators know this. So if they want to broker a deal, unfortunately, Ukraine is going to have to take that one to the chin, because I don't know if I forgot his name, Zelensky. He's trying to show strength for his people, but unfortunately, in this situation, Russia is the bigger country. So you can't be David in this situation and think that you're going to come out on top, unfortunately. So they're going to have to take that one. All right, ES. Of course you want to drop.
Mm-hmm. They want to get this little pullback on. But the Bulls need to get regarded.
Yeah, it's just a pullback. It's just a pullback.
That's what we gotta tell ourselves. It's just a pullback. It's just a pullback. It's just a pullback.
I'll pull back to break even. Yeah, you know, it's just another opportunity to buy the dip. Yeah.
Oh no, that's too funny. It's just a pullback. Bulls still got this. Should I buy in? You buy the dip and it keeps dipping.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, the 60K chart is still good. I mean, we did kind of sweep yesterday's highs, and I mean that makes sense. That makes sense. People taking profits at yesterday's highs.
Mm-hmm.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
It makes sense.
But bump them in their profits. Now we got to push through.
615 might be the area. You said what?
Yeah, it does make sense though. What's the volume we sitting at now? Still low, relatively.
Yeah, like 445,000.
The dip. Dips.
Well, hey, K Trader, why did you trade oil? Like, well, I've already gave you props on being able to trade that trash, but
Whoa, watch your mouth. We talking disrespectful to CL like that.
nah, that's trash. TL is trash, yo. I used to fuck her, so I mean, should I? I mean, she ain't where she used to be. She used to be the prom queen, and now she's outside. Yo, CL's price action is trash, man. I was like, dude, I would not put any money on CL, man. At least not right now. Especially if Trump is president and he's talking about drill, baby, drill. Yeah, CL ain't about to be. Yeah, the price action on CL ain't about to be. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, K Trader, dude. I mean, well, I mean, if it's your account, I mean, I'm not gonna tell you not to trade it. Obviously, you don't have to listen. But CL, the price action on CL is trash. Every time I look at it, I just want to throw up, because either it's chopping up and it's taking all day to chop, and then it's just horrible over there. I feel bad for CL traders. And this is coming from someone that CL was. I already shared with you guys that CL taught me how to trade. CL taught me how to trade. Oh, if I never traded CL, price action wouldn't have been a thing. If I stayed over here with NASDAQ, he'd be like, nah, full port, buy the dip, baby, buy the dip.
Full port.
She can do it. She could do it. Buy the dip.
How many contracts did you have on ES originally?
I had 36 and I added 18 more. So I'm in 5 now.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, honestly, I probably won't even be able to oh shit, you know what? This thing could potentially oh man, if this thing pulls back to the orb, shit, this account might actually be done if this shit pulls back.
Is that an Apex account?
Yep.
Oh yeah, that trailing.
Because I was up 2K. Yeah, I was up 2K. So if it comes back to break even and I lose about 5,000 more, yeah, this account is done.
Oh, I meant to tell you. So they do got a feature now. It's on you to click the button, but so you can set your risk settings on here, and you can. There's a thing that can lock you out. It'll lock you out until the next session, but you have to
Really?
turn it on, and they can't. Yeah, they can't do anything about it either until next session. Like you'll be completely locked out.
On TradeAvate?
Yeah, on TradeAvate.
What is it?
It's in the risk settings. So you turn it on. I haven't turned it on. I did set my daily loss to 300 and I kept it. I haven't changed that. But I didn't lock it in with that feature. But
yeah, because we all know. Yeah.
If I lose the 300, I'm gonna turn that mess off. I gotta get that back. Nah, but they do have it. It'll lock you for until next session, and then they're like, they put a warning in there, like, "Hey, be careful with this because we can't undo it if you turn it on. Like, we have no control over that." I was like, okay.
That's how they keep you trapped. Hey, hold on now. Hey, just think about this. Shit, when you go tilt, think about it.
Oh yeah.
You want to take away the opportunity to make your money back, pimp? What?
Gaslighting the heck out of you. Like, yeah, you right. You want to be responsible? Lock yourself out? What? Come on, man. The casino's right here.
You say you know the bitches love it when you don't use this feature. They love it when you don't use this feature.
Cause I was looking the other day or a couple days ago, and I was like, huh, do they have? I thought they had something like that. Like, I know you could set daily loss, daily profit, weekly, all of that stuff. And then I saw the button. It was like, hey, came with a warning. If you turn this on, we cannot undo it. So think carefully before you do it.
So you don't need to touch this button, play a pimp. You got it. You got it. You got it.
Yeah, they need their fees and commissions.
Yep.
It's crazy because,
well, I mean,
this account, I'm not trading on a lifetime account that I bought from NinjaTrader. This is the account that I opened with TradeAvate when they were still their own company. So, but if I traded on a lifetime account, since they merged, I guess I could trade through TradeAvate, TradingView, and all that with the lifetime. I think you get like, it's like super low fees on micros and minis. I gotta look it up and see what it is, but yeah. Cause I think, what am I paying now? I think I'm paying like look, I'm already $10 in commission, so let me see. I think I'm Add-ons. What is it? Subscriptions. I think. Upgrade. Yeah, so I'm paying 29 cents in micros and 99 cents for minis.
Mm.
But the lifetime is 9 cents in micros and 59 cents for minis. Yeah, that's super low for micros if you got the lifetime.
Yeah. I forgot which I forgot which one I was in.
Oh shoot. Come on, NQ.
Yeah, if I do, the volume hasn't even increased. It's gradually increasing. The last time I told you was 445,000. Now it's only 470. So
Kind of stopped just shy of yesterday's high right there.
I don't know why ES just stopped like that though. I don't know why ES just stopped right there.
Well, K Trader, I got mine for like $500 or whatever it was when they did a deal. I think Ninja Trader was like desperate to get customers. So I paid like 500. Sherm knows the deal that I'm talking about.
Yeah, I had to, man. They did that shit right after I paid 1,500 for it, man. Bastards.
I was like, oh,
Bastards.
okay.
I was like, yo.
Lifetime, huh? Only 500? Okay, I'll drop that.
I still have dreams about that 1,500 that I dropped, man. I could have did so much money with that. After I paid for it, you're gonna drop the damn discount. No. Dude, customer service has still yet to respond to that email. They still have not responded to that email.
You need to hit them up. Like, hey, I should be. How soon did they drop it after you paid that? Was it like
a week or something?
Oh
like
yeah, I'm at yeah. They could have. I would have talked to them like, hey, you need to cut me that $1,000 check back.
Yeah, put it in the account or something. Like what
something.
the fuck, man?
Yeah,
dude. Man, never responded to that email, man. I was like, man, fuck, man.
Yeah, put it in the account for me to gamble with or something, cause that's just dirty, nasty word. Come on, NQ. You can do it. Hey, we just crossed 1,000 in profit. Hey, I got my target hit, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Vindication. Vindication. Waited 2 days for this. Those long nights.
How does it feel? How does it feel?
I'm still tired, but it feels good, baby.
Yeah, that BDE energy, huh? Yeah, it feels good, huh? Yeah, that's how you always feel over here at the house of taking profits. Or at the house of taking targets, not profits. Vindicated, baby. He said it's easier to hold with a great entry. Hey.
I know, mister. I'm low at yesterday. I'm long at yesterday's lows.
I mean, I added to my position at the orb high.
It's just these pullbacks right here, man. It can be tough. All right, let's look and see what happened to all that liquidity. Still there at 725. It's still there.
Yeah, I don't think it's going nowhere.
How many? All right, I'm in 3. Still in 3. Man, yeah, imagine if I was still had my position from 400 from yesterday, man. Damn it. like I wanted it. They forced me to close.
Stop profits. God dang it. You had a stop profit on, so it stopped your profits.
Bro, the scams is like at an all-time high recently. My goodness. I keep getting these text messages from like WhatsApp numbers and talking about talking about like your your Coinbase account has been successfully transferred or something. Your crypto from Coinbase. I'm like, bro, get out of here. Why do you even have my number? Yeah, the job recruiters too. We got this job where you can make $300 to $800 daily, and all you have to do is, I'm like, bro.
All you gotta do is meet me behind a Wendy's dumpster. And you can make $800
Or the Nigerian king needs your help.
Whoa,
Can
whoa,
you
whoa!
send him
The Nigerian prince.
the Nigerian
The
prince?
Nigerian prince.
You right. Nigerian prince needs your
I'm a Nigerian prince, and I need your help.
I need your
I need
help.
your financial assistance.
Like, what? Ain't no way y'all think this is really gonna work. Come on now.
No, it works, man. Unfortunately,
It
it
works
works. That's
for
why they keep doing it.
the elderly and the gullible.
I mean, who else has the money? I mean, if you think about it, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's not meant to scam you. It's meant to scam the people that are vulnerable to this shit.
You right. You right.
I mean, what does the elderly do all day? There's no purpose. You're on your way out. They watch their stories, fantasy. They live completely in a fantasy world. So to them, it's like, oh, what? A Nigerian prince is asking for my financial assistance?
Dang. That's not funny though. My homeboy got scammed out of his like tax return and stuff. Like they got all his information and stuff. I was like, damn, bro. He's like,
How did that happen?
I don't know. I don't know how they got him, but I'm like, that's one thing I hate is a dang scammer. Like, bro,
Yeah.
get out here and work for it. Go to work. Like everybody else. Yeah,
I was
baby.
watching those what was his name? Damn, I forgot his name. He does like the scamming with the scammers with the old lady and the old man.
Oh
What's his
yeah,
name? I
yeah.
forgot his name.
I know that YouTube channel. Yeah, he be scamming the scammers. And
No,
be
not
like,
scamming the scammers,
or
but
like trolling
making them trolling them. Yeah,
Yeah.
trolling them. It's like, do not redeem. Do not redeem. That shit is hilarious, yo.
Yeah,
Hilarious.
He'll put on like the voice changer, and then it's like you have the Indian dude talk about some baby, I love you, I need you. Like what? Like,
That is hilarious, dude.
just send me.
Dude, these scammers be getting mad at you. It's like, dude,
Yeah.
why are you not letting me scam you? Like, yo, what? Like, why are you seriously getting mad? Shit, I'm supposed to be mad at you. But it's like, dude, they're getting mad. It's like, dude, let me scam you. Shit. It's like,
Yeah.
are you a complete idiot? Like,
Yeah. Yeah, they start.
you're trying to scam me.
Yeah, I've seen the different versions. They try to play. Some of them try to play the love story, like, oh,
Mhm.
I'm in love with you, baby, and all this stuff. And then I've seen that where they start like, belittling and start calling them idiots and stuff, like, oh, I don't need your money, but da da da. Then why are you sitting here trying to scam me if you don't need the money?
Bastard.
Let's
Vindication,
go,
baby.
Let's go.
Vindication.
Ah,
Vindicate me, ES. Vindicate me. 3 more ticks.
dang. BDE energy, that leather jacket, NVIDIA energy right now.
That's what I'm talking about, baby. Keep on pushing.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yep, Investor Z, you in this too? Yep.
I am kind of wishing I got it. A little bit of that ES though. That mess was clean.
Eh. Bitch. All right, I'm not playing this with ES. I ain't playing it with ES. I'm gonna take some of this off right here.
Yeah, baby.
I am kind of heavy.
I'm in
super heavy
two
right now.
I'm in two cons. I'm thinking, where was my other target at?
All right.
760. 760. We'll do 760.
You know what? I'm gonna take this big target off.
720.
And I'll just leave the rest to run. Okay. Because I'm not playing that game with ES. She'll fucking turn around.
Yeah.
And I'm already was heavy with her. All right, so I should be good.
All right.
That should be good. Yeah, I'm good with that.
I'm trailing, and I got my targets up top. So whatever happens, we're good. We're gonna lock it in. Great freaking Friday. It didn't start out so great. I was pissed. I was up 300. MS came back all the way. Good thing I put my stop in profit, and I only made like $48. But that was so upsetting though.
Mm-hmm.
Because that didn't need to happen.
But hey, man, we gotta congratulate our boy Smith. He said that he was angry, but he did not let that be the fuel to trade on tilt, even though it could have been very easily happened.
Oh yeah,
it could have easily happened. Could have went on tilt after that.
Yeah,
but you didn't. Stay focused.
Yeah,
you didn't play yourself.
I had to
Congratulations to our boy Smith.
I had to lie to you. I'm like,
dude,
man, F today. I'm not gonna trade.
The hell? I mean, you lied, but shit. I knew that. Like, man, I looked at that. I almost sent you the. All right, yeah, whatever, whatever, ninja, whatever, ninja. Like, it's like, dude, I trade the NQ too. Talking about I'm gonna go to bed, dude. Dude, if you trade the NQ and you know the market's moving, there's something in you that the NQ implants inside you that won't even allow you to do that shit. You're not going to bed. She's gonna grab you by the hands and say, "You in this for the long haul?" Like, what the fuck?
I was like, I was like, hold up, let me see. So we dropped. Where is that at? We dropped. I like, yeah, I gotta. If we hold, I'm like, as long as we hold in 5, we not dipping below 515. I'm like, all right, I had to get back in. So I started with two cons, but then I was like, damn, that's not enough. Like I wanted more. It's not enough.
It's not enough. It's not enough.
And I added, what did I added here at, what is this? 554. So I could have added down here at 530, but it is what it is. Added here on that dip and pop. Yeah. Added this one here on this drop and pop. So yeah, we're gonna
target right there.
I'm gonna put this right here actually, because I don't wanna. We'll leave it at 86. Let it trail. Now, obviously, I do want these. I do want them targets up there.
Yeah. I mean, as long as you got the bulk of your profits out, I mean, them big targets are just for your ego, man.
Yeah, you right. You absolutely right.
As long as you got if you got the bulk, you got your stops and profit, man. It's just an ego trade at that point. You don't lose nothing, you don't gain nothing. It's just for your ego. I mean, your money, your account still has some money, but it's for your ego, man. Don't need to go tilt over an ego trade.
Yeah, you're right. Absolutely right. That might be too close. That's too close. Let's put it back here. All right.
We're gonna get that. We're gonna have 2 more TPs after this one. Great trade though, to everybody though. We took that OR breakout. We already knew that OR breakout was gonna happen. I mean, it was kind of. I think this is probably like the most obvious OR breakout that we've had on the Nasdaq in a while. ES is so easy that I was like, yeah, this OR breakout on the ES was just kind of obvious that it was gonna happen. And if we get a break above yesterday's Or pie on ES, yo, that shit's gonna fire. I might actually add. Nah, I might actually add to the or breakout on yesterday's or because we didn't get price to break out above it, so we might actually see that. Hmm.
Alfred, I told you to hold. When I'm saying hold, you know it means something. Cause you know I'm quick to get out. I'm quick to take the profits. I don't care. You can say whatever you want.
Yeah,
Hold
you're
the
the pastor
line.
over there at the
Hey,
house of taking
I
profits.
preach the gospel. Take them profits, baby. Alfred, I know you gave up
Deacon
40.
Alfred.
Gave up, left 40 points on the table. That's kind of tough.
Stop field.
All
Yeah,
right.
that is tough, bro.
All
Especially if he
right.
was heavy too.
Oh, well, I'm all out. I would love to see them that 725 get hit and 760, but I'll take it. This is a good day. I'm gonna end the week here. $1,100 in micros is crazy.
Yeah, don't add that extra zero though. That's the trap. Don't add that extra zero. It's like if I was in minis, this would have been 11,000.
Yeah. No, I ain't even thinking about a mini. I won't think about a mini until I at least get like, I was thinking 20K, but now I'm thinking like maybe 30K. Then I might go in like 1 or 2 minis, and even that might be too much.
Yeah.
Cause
If I got $50,000, oh my bad. Finish your thought, bro.
now I'm saying it's so easy to go tilt and just lose so much in minis, especially with NQ.
Yeah. Especially with that bitch NQ, man. Especially with her. She needs that. It's like, oh, you grew your account to 50,000? Hold on, let me check the. Hold on, did you sacrifice any accounts for this? Hold up.
It's been a while since I've seen a sacrifice from you. It's been a minute, huh? NQ,
like,
no.
Like, no, NQ, no. I did provide accounts. So, no, I don't see it. 50,000, huh?
I'm gonna need about half. Dang.
I mean, about half of that.
Like,
it can happen.
It can't, bro. I think I lost 43K in a span of like 2 weeks. That's how bad. Yeah. 43K of my own real money in like 2 weeks. Just because once that, well, now I'm different. My mind shift is different. But back then, when that losing streak happened, it was like, bro, it seems like you can never get out of it. And yeah, it's so hard to climb back. And then you looking for that next big trade, that next big hit. Yeah, that's terrible stuff. I don't recommend it.
Yeah. Trading does expose you for who you are. I mean, you can't even lie to yourself when it comes to trading, man. All the stuff that all the makeup, the mask, the costumes, everything that you tell yourself until you get into this arena and it comes out and really push yourself in front of that mirror. You're gonna have to look at the reflection that reflects back at you. I've been there. I share with you guys. Smith has shared with you guys too. That shit's real. So how has trading changed you, Smith? What are the positive and negative changes that you've seen?
Honestly, that's
since
funny.
you first started trading and now.
It's funny you asked that. I would not recommend trading to anybody new that's trying to look into get into this. I wouldn't recommend it. Like the mental energy and just on the mental side, like if you're not tough, if you're not built for this, bro, it can take a bad turn real fast. Like I get it. Like if you someone that's been in the market, you've been trying to grind and learn for like 3 years, you still not profitable, whatever. That's okay. You're building that mental up. You know, it's like that one that picture where the guys they're like mining for diamonds or whatever, and the one dude stops just before hitting the diamond. He gives up,
Mm-hmm.
and then the other guy hits it and gets all the diamonds. That's kind of like how it is. Like but you build that mental toughness over time if you didn't already have it coming in the game. But the positives is the freedom. Like when back then when I was didn't have no job and I was just stuck with this and I was dedicated to this, I was like, okay, we're just gonna do this. Yo, the time freedom is amazing. That's like the best thing. Like I was going in, I was making like $1,000, $2,000 sometimes in like 5-10 minutes, and I'm like, all right, well, I'm done for the day, and then just repeat that. I'm like, dang, I made this before breakfast, like before I even had to sit down and eat breakfast. Like, what am I gonna do with my day now? Like that's the real positive right there. Obviously, the money is, you know, but the time freedom.
Yeah, that's definitely
Yeah.
true, man.
But I
And I
would
definitely
not.
agree with what you said before.
Yeah, I would not recommend this to anybody new though. I was just thinking about this. Like a lesser person, yeah, would have been in a dark place.
Yeah, trading will get you there, man. People like, I mean, not gonna get super dark, but people do consider starting over the game in a new as a new character
Mm-hmm.
because of trading.
Yep. Yeah.
They want to start over as a new character because they just can't handle it. And
Yep. And that. Yep. What Cave Trader said. You can trade from anywhere. Like it don't matter where you at in the world. Shoot,
mm-hmm.
you in London, in Europe somewhere you could trade. You in Dubai. Hey, market opens up at 4:30 p.m. if you in Dubai. How do I know that?
Really?
I've been there and I've traded. Yeah, New York Open is at 4:30. 4:30 p.m. It's kind of perfect too. Like I kind
Yeah,
of like
it is
that.
perfect. It's like
Yeah.
you're not waking up too early or too late. Perfect time of the day.
Yeah. I was like, hey, yo, like when I was over there, I was like, I think I kind of like this. 4:30, be done by about like 6, depending on how it goes, and yeah, yep, anywhere in the world. But yeah, you build that skill set, and it's all about managing your capital. Because if you can trade micros in a small account properly, then you could trade. I got, look, we pushed this to 3K. You can trade a $3 million account as long as you manage it properly.
Yeah.
But yeah. Yeah. Oh man, it was great. 4:30, New York Open. I'm like, yo, this is kind of tough right here. I like this. You done did everything you needed to do during the day, and you just come back. Shoot, that might have a
And
better.
focused on the charts.
Yeah, that might have a better impact on the mental. Let me come back, relax, and get on these charts. It's the end of the day.
A nice way to end the day.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, she double topped at these sides. That's why I kind of took profits there because I didn't want to get caught up in that double top at that high right there on ES.
Make
That's
sure
like
I make sure I double tap this exit market and cancel all, for the one time. So I don't got no hanging orders out there.
Oh, you took all your profits? Okay.
Yeah, I got stopped out.
Okay.
I hit the trail. I'm good. I'm gonna end it. Yeah, I'm gonna end it we're gonna end the week green. I started Tuesday, didn't get to trade Monday. I don't even know. I don't even remember how Monday's session went. What was Monday? The 4th. Yeah. 1100, baby. And I went 90%. I took a loss of $9 today. 950.
Mm.
I'm like, where was that at? I think it was, yeah, it was right here on this stupid thing.
Yeah. Listening to you say that, I'm thinking because my mindset is 100% prop. Yeah, my mindset is prop related. And then I thought about it. If I was trading my own money, yeah, I would stop out because, I would stop out because I would hate the fact that if I took a big loss and wasn't able to get that money back, then it's game over.
Hmm.
Mm.
Yeah.
I wouldn't even think about a $909 loss. I wouldn't even think about putting my stop and profit as I trade a prop firm, prop account. But I guess the psychology is different when it's your money because it's like, man, it's my money. I work
Yeah.
for this, man.
Yeah. Every tick is important. Every tick matters. For real.
I built this shit brick by brick.
Like I was looking, it's kind of crazy the mind shift because I was looking, I was like, damn, I'm down 40. I'm down $40. Before that wouldn't even been a thought. It was like, what? $40? That's laughable. But I was thinking about, I was like,
Mhm.
last night, I was like, damn, am I? And I started thinking about the position. I'm like, no, I'm not wrong. Am I wrong? I had to look at it. I'm like, okay, if the Bears take 500, I'm like, that could be a slippery slope. We could see some aggression
Yeah.
come down. But I was like, thankfully, they held it. I had to look left. I was like, okay, I see it. I see it on the charts. But if they drop it below 500, oh my God, I'm closing. I'm like, I'm just going to close it out, take the L, and then we're going to re enter at a better spot.
Mhm. Yeah, that's definitely true, Alfred, and Cave Trader. Props does. I mean, because I'm trading this Apex account, not the one that we're trading now. On Fridays, I take a break from all funded accounts, and I take breaks from the stream account. This is just a throwaway account. Not necessarily a throwaway account. I think I got like maybe 6 or 7,000 in this account, so this could be like a great follow up. I could pass this one, but I take more aggressive trades in this account. But I will say that trading the stream account the same way I would trade as if I'm trading a personal account, growing that account over time. As much as I hate to say it, my performance has gone up dramatically. I mean, we're normally catching 90, 100, 150 points daily. Daily. We're catching tops and bottoms. Oh shit. Speaking of that, have you man, I forgot about this. I forgot to record this trade. I guess I'll just screenshot it then. I'll screenshot it.
Yeah.
I think you should start doing that too. Remind yourself of the good trades that you was taking. Because I will say that when I go look at my journal and see like, oh man, look at my great entries, or look at these great positions that we're taking.
Yeah.
It just reminds me that I know what I'm doing. I don't have to doubt myself. I don't have to second guess myself. I can just look back at all the trades that I'm taking, my winners and losers, and just see that I'm really doing good. Maybe I should take a screenshot and I should do the video as well. Maybe like take the screenshot of the position and then have the video so I can see. Well, so maybe the before, so before, after. So before, take the screenshot, start the video, and then after. So yeah, I can have 3 screenshots. So I can just look at it and says, yeah, I know what I'm doing. Like, look at that beautiful entry right there. I can just remind myself of just what my analysis does. I can just look at it. Look at that entry right there. Look at great entries.
Yeah.
So I would suggest that.
Yeah.
Hashtag winner. And so I can just
Hashtag
search all
winner.
my winning trades.
Hashtag winner. No, I think props are a good foundation to get into the market if that's what you're really trying to do. Low
Mhm.
cost barrier to entry. Yeah, I think they are really good. I was about to say I couldn't even fit my whole thing, the whole entry to profit to
Mhm.
target in the freaking frame. Look at this. I've been in since this is when I re-entered. So this was before market open on that drop. I was like, okay, it's an opportunity to get back in long. So I re-entered it around 8 o'clock. And then, but yeah, I actually got a better entry than my original at market open.
Mm.
So that's good. Slightly better. Barely. But like a couple points.
Good thing I took that profits at that double top. I knew it, man. I
Yeah.
know you, ES. You don't even you're not even a challenge mentally for real. I was like, man, let me just take this at this double top high. Good thing I did, because my feelings would have been hurt.
Yeah. And I see it. I'm looking at the ES chart. I see a lot of supply up above. It like just on my trading view chart, it just missed just shy of the supply, these 2 supply zones up top by like a couple ticks.
Well,
So
the 60 tick chart is telling me that this thing is going higher. So I'm gonna leave these. I mean, the ES can stop me out. I don't care. I've already took the bulk of my profit off on ES, but I think the Nasdaq is gonna go higher.
oh yeah. It's a 60K. We got a high of 703. Shoot, we could damn. Like I said, I'm cool with it. I hope everybody.
Yeah, be cool with it.
No, yeah, I'm cool with it. I'm done, but I hope everybody gets their higher targets they're looking for. We got a wall of orders at 720, which will probably get ate up. So yeah, they could come back to the. Yeah, that's a big drop.
It's a pullback.
Ooh, the
It's a pullback for
orb.
the bulls to buy the dip.
Yeah, that's like 614, all like close to 600. That's a good pullback. That would be a decent pullback. But the Bulls, if they do, then the Bulls gotta take over and take charge and stop run these lame rainbow bears. Yeah. Stop run them back up to like 760, 800. I don't know
Rainbow bears.
I don't know why well, speaking for me, I don't know why I was a bear. Like you get no gratification.
There was a point in time when being a bear was great.
Yeah, I know what you was about to say. that but we don't get those type of moves anymore where it's just like 60, 80, 100 point green or red candles to the down, and it's just fast and instant. Like we don't get that anymore. So I'm like this
we don't.
This mess is lame. You right though. There was a time, once upon a time, back in my day.
Back in my day.
Not anymore.
Nah, being a bear is whack. Being a bear is whack. All bears get clapped.
Mm-hmm. That's true. Hey, your boy can swing one con now. I'm not gonna be in that situation no more. I can swing one
With
micro.
This newfound power comes great responsibility.
That's funny.
With this great power comes great responsibility. You saw it.
They spoke. I listened. They said, "Get your bread up if you want to swing." Okay, bet.
Oh. You know, I saw this. Speaking of what you just said, I saw this short on YouTube about Tiger. Have y'all seen that the interview? And it's first it was saying that it was not in 1996. The interviewer was telling Tiger that for him to think that he was going to win his first pro tour was cocky. Actually, let me see if I can find it. Actually, I don't think I'm gonna get let's watch this because this is kind of mindset that Kobe, Michael Jordan. This is the mindset that they talk about that you should have right here, right? This mindset right here. If I can
That's cocky.
because this guy right here was talking all kind of shit.
That's crazy.
Dang it. That's great. Like that's a great mindset. Why would you go there if you don't think you can win?
Right. Like to me, that comes off as cocky. Like what? Who are you? And that's why you got that loser mindset.
And they made him watch that, and they made him eat his words. They made this man eat his words. Yeah. It's like, let me show this motherfucker. Who you think you talking to? It's like, who you think you talking to? They actually try to do the same thing with there's an interview where Serena, or I think it was Serena, where the interview tried to do the same thing.
Yeah.
Where do you get this confidence from? And then her
Yeah.
father had to come and be like, nah, this interview's over. You ain't about to shake my daughter's confidence, you bastard.
Yeah.
Bastard.
Talking to a child, like, yeah, that's when she was still a kid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Talk about where you get this confidence from. Man, motherfucker. Nah, you don't ever get to interview my daughter after that.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
crazy. Yep. That's
Just
like
yeah, trying to. Oh, go ahead.
I'm saying people like that, they just super haters. Super
No,
haters.
they're just
on-
projecting they're just trying to project their beliefs onto you because it's like, oh well, because I don't have this many years of experience, no, there's no way that I can win. So if anybody thinks outside of their reality, that's where that energy comes from. Being a super hater, just like you said, trying to project your weakness onto me. No, I'm a winner, damn it, and I'm about to show you, bastard.
Yeah, that's actually
I'm a
crazy.
winner, damn it.
That's super crazy.
Yeah, made that man eat his words, dude. They made him watch the interview, dude. I know he was watching it. And it was like, damn, I look like a fucking idiot.
I'm surprised he wasn't turning bright red like a tomato.
He did. You didn't see it?
No, I didn't
He
see it.
was.
I didn't see it.
You didn't see it. Oh, well, now we gotta watch it again.
Freaking
Dude,
bastard.
I might actually start watching. Like, dude, I might watch this every day because it's like, dude, because sometimes, I come into the market after a losing day and feel like, man, like, oh, never mind. He was red in this one. Oh, actually, you can see that he was red. Look how red he was in this one versus this one. Oh, never mind. I guess maybe he was mad in this one, or maybe the lighting or something.
Yeah.
Versus this one. I guess maybe he was mad in this one, or maybe the lighting or something. Look at him in this loser mentality, dude. I hate when people say that shit to me. It's okay to be a loser. No, fuck that shit. No, I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna win. And it ain't okay being a loser. It's not okay. Damn it. God, it's not okay.
It's okay being a loser.
It's not okay. Try your best. No. I came out here to win. Anything other than that is unacceptable. I don't want that shit. I don't ever want to feel comfortable with something that I don't want. No. 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 Yeah, that's probably a great way to put it, K Trader. He turned it, yeah, dude, like, it's like, man, I try to project my loser energy onto him, and he went out there and won. No. If I'm in a tournament, I'm trying to get number one. Now, I can accept if I don't, but I'm not going to tell myself, oh man, it's okay if you know, go out there and have fun, try your no. You're not going to project that loser mindset onto me. No. I'm going to go out there and win. I'm going to be mad if I lose, but I'm going to come back. I'll be quiet. I'm going to come back, damn it. No.
I'll be talking again. Yeah.
No.
Yeah. You gotta have that mentality, man. That winner mentality, because, yeah, that's just crazy. You even think like that. I don't get it, man.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Don't, like, isn't that crazy? Like, it's crazy that you have to actually fight yourself because naturally, because our ego doesn't want to see us lose. We already create excuses for us if just in case. And I'm not immune to that, but I just tell myself to shut the fuck up with all that loser talk. Let's go out here and win, damn it. Man.
Oh, shoot.
Hey, Smith, don't look at it. Don't look at it. You good, baby. You good. You good, baby. You
Yeah,
good.
I'm good. I'm out. I promise you, I'm not touching nothing. I'm just watching.
Make them watch. Make them watch.
Oh man, I mean, I pretty much
This
got
is
out
the
after-
siren song.
I
Well,
pretty
out of the
much,
Tradeovate account, man.
I pretty much got out at the top so far, so I'm good. I'm good. I hope y'all get y'all targets up there. I'm good. I'm telling you. All I'm doing is pulling up the journal so I can sync it up and see the numbers that it's telling. That's what I'm doing now. I ain't.
All right,
but
man. No off-stream trades, man. No secret off-stream trade. Hey, let's screenshot the balance. Let's screenshot the balance.
I hear.
Get this, like, yeah, baby, I did it. The text at the
Like, damn, man, I effed up. How many times have I sent you that text?
Yeah, I know.
Like, man, it was such a good day too. No, for real though. I'm not touching nothing. I just heard the TickStrike and I'm like, oh shoot. I hear the bulls coming in. Oh, that's nasty.
Yep, this is the siren song of the NASDAQ. This is the siren song. That pullback and a nice bullish push. This is how she gets people right here to start chasing.
Yeah.
And then they crash their boats into the rocks right here, chasing it.
Yep. That's so true.
Because this is a pivot high right here, so we could potentially, this is a two-legged pullback into support right here. So this right here could be a pivot high. Price is going to bulls are probably going to take their profits here, and they will probably see like maybe like a profit taken right there, and it's going to be the bulls are going to have to hold that pullback. I mean, the 60K chart is still bullish, so I mean, as long as this shit is still bullish, I'm gonna filter my trades to the upside. Every pullback will be bought. That's a strong green candle right there.
Hold on, how many points are we up on the day? Oh yeah, we still got, it's only about 175, 76 points right now. We got a lot of upside. Like, we could have another 300 point day.
Yeah.
300-400 points. I mean, that's not out of the realm of possibility here. Yeah, that's crazy. But all right, let me pull up the stats on the journal. Great day. Great freaking day.
Shit. Actually, you shouldn't even say great day. You should say that you had a great week. And yeah, and put in that remind yourself of the situation where you almost went till you got stopped out of a winning trade.
Yeah.
And you didn't go tilt. You stayed the course, and not only did you get that money back, you ended the day with 1,100. You need to remind yourself of that. So when you come back and look at that, when you want to go tilt again, just remind yourself that going tilt only causes you to lose money. Keeping your head cool, that's going to get you the money that you lost right back.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
Especially having to stay up all damn night waiting on that shit.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm not trading overnight anymore. I mean that shit. If I do it, I'm gonna write 1,000 times. I will not trade overnight.
Oh shoot. Yeah, you're right. I mean, the only reason I did it because I was like, well, I don't gotta get up in the morning and go to work, so I'm good. But yeah, that mess is rough. Like I said, I would have still been in my 400 entry. Of course, I would have scaled in if they would have let me swing that big from yesterday. Man, that would have been so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Catching all this from the 400s.
Yeah. Damn, 290 points or 300 points.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I know that I've said that plenty of times, Alfred, but this time I mean it. I mean it this time, baby. I'll change. I'll change this time. Yeah, whatever, ninja. Whatever. I mean it. But yo, congratulations though, man. Congratulations on the stats, on the games, man. Congratulations, bro.
Yeah, I appreciate that.
This man started with $500, man.
500 on Tuesday.
500, man.
Just on Tuesday.
500 on a Tuesday.
On a Tuesday. Yeah. We're gonna grow this responsibly this time. Last time, what I put in 2K and then I made like 10 or 12 and then lost it all. Like, like, bro, like no more of that.
Why'd you lose it, Smith? Why'd you lose it?
Probably because I went tilt.
Because you went tilt.
Yeah.
You didn't lose it trading responsibly. You lost it because you trading tilt. Same thing with me. I mean, we gotta remind ourselves this, man. This is why we lose our accounts. We know that we lose our accounts when we trade on tilt. I don't think anybody has saved an account trading on tilt.
Yeah.
I don't think that's happened.
You might get like one win, one or two, but yeah, it's very rare.
No, I mean, so that's the thing. You don't stop when you're trading on tilt.
That's true.
You're like, dude, you can win, and you'll still keep going because you're trading on tilt.
Yeah, yo,
and
you remember?
You lose it all.
Remember when I was trading FOMC? I was like, yo, should I stop? Yo, should I get out? I need to stop. I'm up 16K.
15,
I need to stop.
000.
Yeah, I need to stop. Should I? Like, yo, if you have to ask.
Our boy was, I think it was like 15K, right? Or something like that.
Yeah, it was like 15, 16, fluctuating. And I was like, bro. And then I think I ended up losing the majority of that, though. Yeah, I can't remember. So I was mad.
Yeah, that's when Powell actually had power. And you can't even say that without the Powell pump.
Yeah.
Powell pump actually meant something back then.
Yeah.
Now, his good afternoons don't even be moving the markets no more.
I know.
Good afternoon. The market don't even do shit no more.
Thank you. Yeah, I know, right? Purple tie means nothing.
He's wearing a purple tie. Full port. Full port. As long as the EMAs are where they need to be, then I know which side of the market I should trade on. This is just a dip buying opportunity to scale into a winning position. That's all this is. Until the EMAs, until the the bears do what's necessary to reverse this market, all dips will be bought.
All dips.
Let's TP me, baby. TP me. Let's let my TP hits. Now, you know, NQ really for the streets, man. She be letting all my TPs hit, man. Come on, baby, hit that first TP, baby. I'm probably up like maybe 6. It was for that ES trade with the Nasdaq. I'm not making the amount of money I'm used to on the Nasdaq, which is crazy. But like I said before, trading this way has been a more enjoyable experience. So I guess.
Yeah, and you can trying to think of my words for you. Y'all come with the AOs. Never mind. I'm not gonna say anything. Never mind.
Hey,
Y'all
yo.
so childish. Y'all so childish on here. Never mind.
No, say it. Say it. Now you gotta say it.
No. It keeps you in the game longer trading this way.
Ain't nothing wrong with what you said.
No, that's I switched it up. That's not what I was originally gonna say.
Or you stay in the game, taking it to the chin or something, or you taking it or something. And you're right, K. Oh, hold on. Oh, I was about to say.
Oh,
It's like
man.
if he full ported the last, you would have lost the. Yeah. Yep. Like I said last night, man, I had 27 opportunities to build the account, and in one trading session, because I went tilt, 27 went down to I think 10 or 13. I think I have 13 more opportunities to get that account back to where it needs to be. So in one trade, one tilt trade, it took 13 or 13, 14 opportunities. So next week, I'm just going to work on that account exclusively and just build back those accounts. Build them back.
Yeah.
Hopefully hopefully ES doesn't need to come all the way back to the orb high. I don't think it does, but hopefully it don't.
Yeah, that'd be kind of trash. I mean, I think y'all got it, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's looking, I mean, these hourly candles, bullish as F. Let me see, 4 hour, 4 hour, yeah.
And we don't have the volume. I mean, right now we're at 612,000 trading on the MNQ right now. So
What's the normal
so we're usually around this time we should have like 1 million or something like that if we were trading on decent volume.
Man, that's crazy.
Yeah. You can tell that yesterday was going to be a good day because it started off with almost 500,000 at 448,000 roughly. The last couple of days where we had all that movement, the volume was there at the start of the session versus today where the volume kind of went back to how it started in like July or something like that. Only trading 200 to almost 300,000 contracts starting off. So
698, 686, and 692. Okay. So yeah, I feel I'm vindicated. That's all I needed. That 686. Because I was looking for that yesterday. Remember, I was talking about, or I was actually looking for 688, but I wanted that mess yesterday, and we were just shy of it. Then the freaking Bears want to take 10 hours to sell the market down. But the Bulls came back yesterday and saved the day at the end. I held through, man. I held through. Held strong. Shoot. They came back.
Yo.
Yeah.
Congratulations on the commissions. Oh, that's efficiency right there, though.
Oh, yeah.
$18 in commissions?
I didn't even check. It's at 18.
That's efficient. So it's $18.02 in commissions.
Oh, yeah.
That's efficient.
Actually, today is 13. Yeah, $13 in commissions. and I took 10 trades.
What did Trump say, Alfred? What did he say?
Oh, was that because of Trump? I missed his yeah,
Man, this is Trump's market, man. The market moves off what this man says, man. You don't need a
yeah, for
news
real.
event. You don't need nothing. You just need Trump to say something and hope that it goes in your favor. That's all you need in this market.
Trump pump.
The Trump pump dump. It's a good time to buy. Someone needs to. Well, no, that wouldn't even be a good look if somebody were to hack the account and say it's a good time to buy. Man, it would be such a bullish green candle.
Yeah, remember the last
But
time
it
he
just
said
went.
that?
He was bragging, talking about his friend made trillions of dollars. It was like, man, why you snitching like that, bro?
Yeah. Like, you know, you said the
Like, why you
quiet
snitching
you
like
said
that?
the quiet part out loud. Oh shoot. Like, what? Like, bro, you violating right now.
Oh wow, Alfred, that's blasphemy, bro. He said the Trump pump sounds better than the Powell pump. What? What?
Yo. Yeah. I mean, lately, like I said, Powell and CPI, they've been slacking. It is not the same. It's almost
yeah,
laughable.
ever since Trump when he won the election, the Trump pump, that move overshadowed any other pump so far in history.
Yeah. Wasn't like,
I,
yeah, how many thousands of points did it run up?
actually, look, I got it documented. Let's look at it.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
got it documented.
I think it's like
I mean,
four.
shit. I don't think it moved up like 1,800 points or some shit. Like, dude, it was crazy, man. Yeah, like, dude, the market literally ran 2,600 points to the upside. Bro,
Yeah.
that is some crazy ass shit, bro. That is
Yeah.
crazy. Crazy.
Yeah.
Dude, nobody has moved this market like Trump has moved this market. 2,600 points to the upside.
Yeah.
The day before, 1,300 points to the downside, 1,000 points to the downside. Bro, Trump moves this fucking market, bro.
Yeah. That is wild.
Shit. This is when motherfuckers was making all kind of money, dude. You had 1,800 point moves in one direction, 200. I mean, dude, these little baby moves now that we're getting now, 280, 60, compared to what we was getting in the beginning of the year. Yo. I'm gonna clean this chart up though. I've kind of been slacking on the upkeep on it, but I'll fix this over the weekend. But I'll fix it.
Yeah.
I got a lot of. So yeah, Trump moves this market, man. It's his market. He don't want nobody else to have a part of it. Have no influence. Elon Musk don't even move the market no more. I feel like Trump probably moves Tesla more than Elon does at this point, because it was Trump that saved Tesla by having Tesla on the White House lawn, selling it to people. I don't think they probably sold no cars, but just the fact that he had it out there on the White House lawn advertising it,
Yeah.
and he got in the front seat of it, that pumped up the Tesla stock. So shit. And I mean, I feel that regardless how we feel about Trump, I know that people have strong feelings about him. But if you're a trader, I know that Trump moved this market, so I'm not going to sit here and be like, oh yeah, Trump's an idiot. Well, shit, if he's an idiot and he says something stupid, I'm gonna capitalize on that shit. I'm capitalizing on it. That's how I see it. Yeah. Yeah, Powell. No, yeah, Powell never does that, man. All right, Powell hasn't done that yet. Yeah, and that's the year when I fell in love with being that's when I became I solidified my my bear card in that year. I was like, yo, I ain't trying to go long. I'm just trying to short. Everybody else, I would just ignore all the bullish setups and just take all the short setups and get paid. And that's when my love of being a bear just grew and grew because it was such easy money. And now it's the total opposite. This market has destroyed so many of the bears' mental that they transformed from being objective driven to being rainbow bears. It's like, well, shit, if we're not going to get our objective, we're just going to make it hard for you to get yours. And that's how the bears get their pleasure now because they don't get it anywhere else. They definitely don't. It's in 2021, dude. That's the only thing you could buy. The IV on that was so. IV on calls. Actually, the IV on shorts were really good. You just wasn't not going to get paid on them. Shit, the Holy Grail cross is about to happen. The Holy Grail cross is about to happen. Actually, never mind. I'm about to be done in like the next 4 minutes. Well, I'm gonna hold this long in both the Nasdaq. I mean, I don't care about this ES trade anymore. I've got the bulk of the profits off at 13 at this high, so I'm good. If I get stopped out, if it comes back to test the high, then that's fine. That's fine. I got the bulk of this off. I only got half of a mini left. This will only be a $270 loss if this hits my stop. So this is more of an ego type of trade more than anything. And I'm not going to move my stop underneath because that would be like about a 15-point stop. And nah, I'm not going to give the market that much. Just going to let this NASDAQ trade play out. But this is what I will say. Let me drop like. K-Trader said we dropped like 30% plus in a single year. Yeah. You're talking about when Biden came in, right? Yeah. As soon as honestly, what I was so how do I want to say this? How do I want to say this? I was surprised that people chose Biden over Trump, but I can understand the logic at the time. I can understand it. My assumption was that because everybody was so good, a lot of people, well, let me just say it like this. People that were at the poverty levels of society were actually living as if they were close to middle class. Gas was affordable, groceries was affordable, your money went a little bit longer, and that's very impactful for lower income families. And so since everybody was having such a good time living in money land, even the poor people, I guess what people thought was that, if the economy stays the same, but we change our mean tweet, our mean president that tweets out mean tweets, then everything will be great. Biden seems like a liberal, or this I'm speaking from a perspective. I don't care what he is because I understand that this is all a political game and it's all a lie. But That's probably the mindset of people. If we just replace that mean tweeting president that we got now, everything will be great. And I think that probably was the fuel outside of the allegations of the election fraud, which I'm pretty sure there's a part of that is true. The reason why I can't believe that because of what they tried to do during this election, and it's undisputable. I don't argue with people off of their feelings, but based on what happened. And what happened was a lot of in these cities where they tried to do away with having people show identification that they are American citizens to be able to vote in the next president. And they influxed people, immigrants, into cities that would shift a red state to being a blue or purple or a blue or purple state. That's been documented. It's undisputable. I don't argue with people about that. If you want to feel, if you want to believe that that wasn't done purposely, then I'm gonna let you believe that. But I'm of a sound mind, and that's exactly what they tried doing. So I wouldn't put it past them, because if they got away with it the first time, you can only be emboldened to do it the second time. So, but that's not here nor there. It doesn't matter. But that's not what happened. We had a great economy that literally went belly up overnight. Things started going up, things became more expensive, and the people that were living paycheck to paycheck, or at least the people that were actually good, went back to living paycheck to paycheck. And yet they still tried to vote Biden back in, or someone, or Harris back in. Now, I've already said this with the cave trader, but the Democratic Party has always been the party of slavery. And it's very interesting how, especially people in the African American community, can sit there and stick with the Democratic Party, knowing the history, or maybe they don't know the history. Maybe all they see is, well, with the Democratic Party, they're keeping me on welfare. Well, the Democratic Party, or at least the idea of it, is the best way to keep people as slaves is to keep them comfortable and compliant. And so, of course, they're going to provide you the bare minimum in welfare and everything else to keep you comfortable and compliant. And it was the Republican Party that fought to remove slavery. But that's not what's been taught in our community. We're taught that it's the mean old Republicans that are keeping us enslaved and blah 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 blah. But that's not true. And that's why, in my opinion, the Democratic Party fight so hard for immigration, because they know that they can get cheap, free slave labor from people in situations where this is the only opportunity that they have to take care of the people that they're responsible for. And this behavior from that point of view is just is not surprising when you look at it from that. If you keep people addicted to having their handout, you'll get exactly what you get in this generation that we're seeing now. People that are unwilling to work and do not feel any shame with having the government take care of them. You can go on TikTok and see just what that kind of enabling does to people. You have people so entitled that when they quote unquote scam the government, they go online and they share their experience and try to get other people. It's like, hey, I'm scamming the government, you can do it too. And they feel that they're better than people. The poorest people in the world feel that they contribute more to society than hard-working people that actually do. That's that mentality that you get from that. And when you get a group of people all with that same mentality, well, you get Democratic-run cities where crime is rampant. Business owners, I don't understand why they stay in those cities, but business owners are not protected by the government. They had to deal with people stealing from their shops. Oh, you got insurance? You can all your product like, dude, I have to pay for that insurance too, damn it. The fuck? And if I'm reporting millions of dollars being stolen from my business, well, my insurance premiums, they're gonna go up. So it's not like I'm getting the insurance for fucking free, you know? But I mean, that's just the logic, and that's what they're dealt with, or that's what's left with that kind of mentality. So, hmm, yeah. That's definitely true. I've seen the videos. There are certain places in the world that I won't be personally traveling to. That's Philadelphia, Chicago, and California. I don't know those places, and you can easily find yourself in situations where if you don't know the environment, you can definitely be yeah, and you just become a victim. And I ain't gonna be no victim. I ain't no victim. Hmm. This is make or break for Bulls right here. If I get stopped out, then I'll just accept this today. I'll come back next week, and if I get stopped out here, I'm pretty sure I got stopped out of that ES trade. Yeah, I got stopped out of that ES trade. So this is make or break right here for the Bulls. If they don't hold this, then we could see a big drop here. To come to Chicago, you know, there's parts of Chicago that I see that's really good. I just hate the fact that the music has influenced a generation out there that to where just taking people's lives now is a badge of honor. And you know, I guess I would hate to be in a situation where if I'm in an environment where taking something by force or people can just walk up and you can just be at a gas station and then you find yourself in a gang war and all of a sudden you're getting shot because of something that you was never a part of or hurt. Mm, no disrespect to the city though. It's just that the mentality, the environment out there. Nah, I'm good on all that. I don't want to be in an environment where criminals are being protected more than law-abiding citizens. That people that just work hard and then well, I guess so this I will say this. I will say this. I can understand where racism comes from. I can understand where it comes from kind of cuz obviously I've already shared that I came from poverty. So I never looked at life with a future, if that makes sense. Where I started from, looking at the people, the old heads, the quote unquote OGs around me, shit, their future was in a jail cell for the rest of their lives. And because of that, that's where I thought that I would eventually end up. Because where else would I go? But the mindset that I have would never accept that. I would never accepting that reality for myself. And I worked my way out of that reality. And all the hard work that I put in, the consistent work against the system, against my own self-sabotaging, against everything that was put against me, I overcame that. And that was a lot. And when you work for something, you tend to hold on to it versus if it was given to you. So looking at it from that perspective, now that I've worked myself to a position to where I'm good and I'm able to take care of the people that I'm responsible for, why the hell would I ever go and live in the projects to have somebody that hasn't worked for nothing take that away from me? No, no. I'm not going to put myself in an environment where I could be considered a mark or I could be considered a easy lick. Nah, I'm good. So I can understand it from that perspective. I'm not saying it's right. It's understandable. And honestly, I wouldn't call it racism. I would call it just being aware of your environment and the people that are in that particular environment. At least that's how I see it. But then there are people that just hate people just because. I mean, I'm not saying that that's not true, but I'm speaking from people of a from a standpoint that's worked for everything that they've had, and they just don't want to be in a situation where that could potentially be taken away from them. That's the perspective I'm speaking from. But honestly, I mean, I can understand it. I mean, the environment that I work in, I mean, is a melting pot of different type of, obviously in IT engineering, you'll get more Indian, European, African. So it's a lot. And I would say this: no one cares about that shit at high levels. It's, can you finish? If I give you a task, will you be able to complete it? No, that's it. Um, the only people that brings that mentality, the only type of people that I've noticed that brings that mentality into, I guess, the quote unquote upper levels, are just people with nothing to do. People that are addicted to being victims. And they're just trying to find any reason to be a victim. Because shit, no one cares about if you're black, white, brown, purple, blue, yellow, green, rainbow, whatever color you want to be. No one cares about that shit. Is, I gave you a task to complete and you need to get that shit done by this time frame. That's it. People that yeah. All right. Well, I've done my best in this one. I'm gonna take a loss here, potentially. I'm not gonna. That's all I'm gonna give this position right here. That's all I'm gonna give it. That's all I'm gonna give it. I mean, if they don't come in right here, then because I've already seen the shift. I mean, the Bears are being real rainbow right now. They've shown some real aggression, taking out that range. This could potentially be a sweep of liquidity, but if they hold it, and they push down lower, this can get real nasty. So, it says K-Trader says everyone wants to be with you and support you. Yeah. Yep. Believe this or not, actually, I had a how do I want to say this? This guy actually thought, well, this was back when I first started going to college for engineering and stuff like that. One of the instructors, because he was 22 years old. He was I think a Air Force veteran, Navy veteran, I think. He got discharged because he lost his leg, not due to the military, but uh, because he had an accident, a motorcycle accident. So he got medically discharged from the military. But he was in intelligence, and he was the instructor for the class. I shared with him a piece of information that was surprising to me at the time, but uh, believe this or not, rap, hip hop is the most, well, this is before the internet. So now this is something that nobody can argue. Nobody can argue this. But before the internet, uh, hip hop was the most influential genre of music, beating rock and roll, beating the Beatles, everything. Hip hop. And we had an argument about that. He was like, "No, there's no way. There's no way that hip hop is more influential than the Beatles or the rock and roll and stuff like that is there's just no way. Now it's undisputable. You can't sit here and say that hip hop doesn't have the most influence globally. Globally, it's the most influential music there is. And we know that hip hop is obviously majority African American. And kind of going back to what, or we'll just use that term. As rich as I guess if anybody wants to be racist when it comes to money, uh, hip hop artists can tour the world globally and sell out arenas. When it comes to money, fame, how someone makes you feel. No, I mean the most racist person can show up at a at a Travis Scott concert or show up at a LeBron James basketball game if they have a game overseas or something like that. They show up at the Olympics and they cheer for LeBron James, Kobe Bryant, all these athletes. When it comes to being a contributing person to society, no one cares what color you are, man. No one cares. No one cares who you're having sex with either. The only thing they care about is how you're contributing to the community and how someone can benefit from you. That's all people care about at the quote unquote top. People at the bottom only care about race and ethnicity and racism because these are the people that they're fighting for the limited amount of resources that are at the bottom. That's where that mentality comes from. It's they're a part of a different tribe. I need to get rid of that separate tribe so I can have more of the limited resources that are available to us at the bottom. That's all that shit is. Because that shit doesn't happen at the top. It can. I mean, especially with people that are elitist and they're like, yeah, if they like maybe if you're a kind of like Diddy. I mean, look at Diddy. Diddy's a great example. But anyway, if you're like a CEO of a label, I mean, I can understand that everybody that's in your label, you can feel above those people, and I guess, yeah, I guess. But I mean, if you're just going to keep it simple, I mean, that kind of mentality is at the bottom, not necessarily at the top. Okay, I think this is gonna hold this shit. I mean, Alfred, dude, honestly, and Cave Trader, unfortunately, that's what moves our world. Unfortunately, negative energy has more of an impact than positive energy, unfortunately. Unfortunately, and that's just how people are. People prefer drama over positivity. And if we're in a society, if we're in a capitalistic society where you give your customer what they want, it'll be foolish to give someone that prefers to buy negativity and try to force positivity onto them. It will be foolish. If you look at the comment section of any platform, YouTube, Twitter, whatever platform, what generates the most amount of comments? Is it somebody that's saying something positive? That person will probably get the most likes. But what's going to generate the most amount of engagement and comments is obviously an argument about something stupid. Stupid. You look through any of the comment sections, you'll see stuff, people talking about shit that don't even pertain to the damn video. It's stupidity, ignorance, stupidity, violence, negativity. That's what, for whatever reason, people are engaged with. And when you know that, that saying from Rick, he says your boos mean nothing because I see what makes you cheer. I feel that that's what that's coming from. I see what makes you cheer, so your boos mean nothing. They mean absolutely nothing. So I may have survived this. I may have survived this.
Oh dang, that's crazy. I
Oh.
just saw it went right back to. Yep.
The orb high, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. I
Um,
kind of figured it was gonna do that. You know what? Let me get back in this. Nah, I'm not going. I'm gonna stick to the Nasdaq. I'm done on the ES. I'm done.
yeah, I
Stick
gotta
to the Nasdaq.
I gotta dip out right now. I forgot I had appointment coming up.
No, bro, you good, man. I'm about to end it too. I'm kind of over myself, but yeah, bro, you good, man. Enjoy the rest of your day and weekend, man.
Yeah, y'all too. Y'all have a good one.
You too, man.
Peace.